Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about this PDF utility service, which is for Java. And if we see this is basically to convert a PDF, which is an XFA format PDF to XDP. XDP, like when we create a form template, we basically use XDP type of template. So if we see this example, this is a Adobe given example. What we are doing, we are just using a EM form server, and the server type is JBoss server, and then we are passing the username and password, and then finally we are creating a service factory. And then what we are doing, we are having this PDF document, which is an XFF form, and then we are converting it to XDP, and finally we are just saving it to a file on local file system. So this is what we are doing. For the demo purpose, what I have done, I have just copy paste this same code to my Eclipse Java file. Yeah, and since I had to add in pom.xml dependency, so I will just show which dependency I have added. This is the one. So I have added this Adobe Lifecycle DSC dependency, and the version is 6.2. and after this, if we just deploy this code, so I will just install it. I will put this URL in the description of the video. It's deployed. Let me open bundles, and I will just install this bundle. Should be very quick. And after we install this bundle, we will see this error. The lifecycle PDF utility client is not available, whereas it is available. Actually, it's there in, if we just go to our M2 where our dependencies are installed, it's there. So this is not a OSGI bundle. So what we will do, using Eclipse utility, will convert it to bundle first. So I'll just copy this path, and within my Eclipse, let me just collapse it, and I will right click on new, and then click on other, and then I will select this plugin from existing jar archive, click on next, and click on add external, and then I will give the path to the bundle, and this is the one I'm talking about, this one. Just select it and then click on next, and then let's give some name. So this is my bundle for PDF utility. This is my bundle for PDF utility, and I'm going to run it on OGI framework. So I will just select it and click on finish. Okay, now I will go to runtime. Basically, I want to export everything whatever we have within this bundle. So I will click on add, and will select everything, and then click on OK, and let's save it. And now what we can do, just select the bundle, basically the module which we just created, right click on export, and select this deployable plugins and fragments, click on next, and then select the one which we just created, this one. So it's my bundle PDF utility, and the path, so it will be the bundle will be created on this location, my new bundle D drive. Finish it. So this is the one which is created now. Let's copy this path, and let's duplicate it. and now it's active. So this is one thing. Okay, now actually it should work, our code should work, but since let me go back to my utility. So yeah, this is the utility. Okay, so this code is expecting basically a AEM form server, and the server type is JBoss. We have to use like username and password. I have created another file. Basically, if we see this, we are creating a service client here, as in basically PDF utility service client. We don't need all this stuff. If within AR or AEM repository we are working, or maybe we are creating this service or servlet. So if we see the another code, so this is very simple code, and here I'm not using that utility, sorry, those APIs. I'm using here COM Adobe AEM-FD APIs. Okay, so instead of that PDF client what we had created in the previous code, here I'm using the PDF utility service, and using @ reference annotation I'm just creating a new service reference. And the same thing I'm doing here. Instead of passing any factory etc, we don't need that. And just to notice one thing, here every API is of AEM-FD only. Now even this document is of AEM-FD. If we see the previous code, where is that? Yeah, here the document type is of course different, because this is totally different API. But within OSGI framework we can use this API, and we have just taken the document and then we are just converting from PDF to XTP. So let's just try it. What it is expecting, a sample.pdf file inside temporary folder. So inside my temporary folder this is the sample.pdf file we have, and this sample.pdf file I have created using Designer. Just a simple text and some text input, and I have just saved it using dynamic XML as a type, and then sample.pdf. and then what we are doing, we are just taking this sample.pdf and we are converting it to sample.xtp file. So what I'm going to do, I will just delete this sample.xtp because I just tried it earlier. Where is that? Okay, I have already deleted. Now let's start the debugger. So debugger is on, and I will just hit this servlet now. So if we just execute this code, so we have created a sample.xtp file. Just open the, yeah, so the XTP file has been created, and if we see this, basically our XTP file is ready. It's in XML form, and yeah. Okay, I will just put this code in the description of the video, but this is how we can fix the PDF utility API not available in OSGI framework, that one. And also instead of using that client, we can also use this Adobe FD PDF utility API. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.